Okay, in this video I want to show you how to possibly fix a Kenmore dryer that no longer turns on, or an older dryer in general. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that it's not too full. A lot of times that'll make a dryer not work. So go ahead and take half the load out or everything just to test it. The next probable cause is the power. So if you're not getting any power, check another appliance beside it. In this case, it'd be the washer. And if the washer does not turn on, then you know it's not the dryer. If that's the case, you're not getting power, and it could be that the circuit breaker went off. Maybe it was getting too much of a power surge. Usually, you should know where the circuit breaker is in your home. It's like a little metal panel. I'll show you in our house real quick what it looks like. And don't worry, you're not going to break anything. So that's what our circuit breaker looks like. Take your time. You should see here, there's a water heater here. There's the dryer. So we're going to look at 8 for dryer. And then 2, 4, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8. The dryer's 8. So if this looks different, if it is over on the if this is pulled back and you notice all the other ones are in one direction, but this one is off in the other direction, basically you just push it back to where it is. Usually it'll be red right here. Okay, so that's that. Check, make sure it's got power in your circuit board. All right, and then the next thing I want you to do is make sure that the lint is completely out. And it's usually like a little thing like this, a little thing that you pull out. So you can see here all the lint that I had. Okay. And then put it back in and then turn it on. Make sure this is pressed in good. And this particular unit, this Kenmore, if you don't press hard enough, it'll be like a little mechanism. You see that? So what I want you to do is use both hands and firmly press on it. And then lift. As you see there, it just wasn't getting a good push there. Alright. If I helped you, let me know. If you can't, put in the comment section what brand of dryer that you have. This one is a Kenmore. But tell me if you got a Maytag, a Whirlpool, a GE. Keep in mind, these older appliances are made so much better than newer ones made in the 21st century. So if you got an old 80s, 90s, even early 2000s, keep it. I don't care if you think it looks ugly or your friends don't like it, or your wife is complaining that it's ugly and needs to be up to date, or vice versa, your husband. Okay, if they're complaining, let them know, let them see this video and know that everything is made much better years ago than it are today. And these appliances will outlast something that you buy today. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.